In this video, I'm going to show you how to import CAD file in PlanSwift. So if you're trying to actually import a CAD file, I'm assuming you have a DXF file, which is basically the drawing exchange format, and this is a file which is widely used, the CAD data file format, so I'm assuming you have that. So you want to go up here to the top, and then where it says Home, click on that, and then you want to click on New. In here, you want to give this a name. I'm just going to name it 1, 2, 3 over here, and then you have to give it a description. I'm going to type in test and then notes test, okay? Where it says new job location, select local, and then here measurement type, you could do metric. And then here, just go ahead and click on next. Now from here, you'll be able to browse the folder where you actually have your DXF or CAD file and click on browse here and then basically find it. So I'm going to go to downloads and click OK. There we go. It's going to open up my downloads folder. And then in here, you have to basically find your CAD file. Now for me, as I told you, I have a DXF file because I've exported as that. But of course, you could have a CAD file as well. It doesn't really matter. So in here, let me actually find it. There we go. It's called random tutorial. You have to click on this check mark just next to it to the left, and when you do that, for me again it's a DXF. If it's a CAD for you, that's gonna work too. And then just click on next over here, and then you can just click on next and finish, and it's going to actually open up. As you can see, this is just a sample file, but it did import into my project. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.